What's up everybody, it's King Camry. Today we got a very amazing video. Today, as you guys seen by the title, we are installing these brand new lamps that Toyota are now releasing. As you guys know, we've had useless gap, useless space on our bumpers. So finally Toyota decided to do something and make these things, and we are installing them now onto a 2021 because these lamps are actually fittable with these 2021. As far as the earlier years of the Camrys, I'm still unsure, and I will figure out for you guys later on. But right now I'm going to show you guys how to install this on the 2021 Camry, and just to get, you know, an idea of what you guys can experience if you guys ever do pick these things up. These are not aftermarket. As you guys know, there are a lot of options for fog lights in aftermarket. This specific fog lamps actually come from Toyota. When I did posted this on my Instagram, on my story, a lot of people were giving me baloney saying that Toyota didn't make these, that these came from China, and that is incorrect. I just wanted to give out the correct information for you guys so you guys can really just understand and have the facts right here. Right here I got the part number. Toyota is finally decided to do something with that gap you have in your bumper, and right here I do have the part number. The only thing I can say is that this installation should be a very easy install. We already went ahead and removed the bumper. So we're going to go ahead and walk you guys through this. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. I don't know if you guys seen my last video. I did like a detailing video. I'm also doing a giveaway, a $40 giveaway in detailing products. So the chances are very high and you can win yourself some amazing detailing products for your car. There's only 3 things you got to do. You got to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to me on YouTube, and you got to send me a picture through Instagram that you're subscribed to me on YouTube, and I'll put you guys in that raffle, and I will be announcing the winner on September 13th. So write that down on you guys' calendar. So get involved, you guys. We're going to go ahead and do this thing. I know there's a lot of questions on these lamps that Toyota did release. I'm going to do my best to really explain these to you guys and what we're doing. But overall, this is going to be just an install lamp. Right now we have the bumper off. And if you guys do not know how to remove your bumper, I also got a video for you guys on my channel. So make sure you guys check that out if you guys ever do want to install these. I got it all. Let's get it. Okay, so right now we're actually removing these feather looking panels. These are the ones that come with the 2021 Xse bumper. So we're going to remove this, and these things are honestly very easy. The only thing you have to do is just press the clips from the inside to be able to release these out. And my friend Paul right here is doing that. Alright you guys, so we already went ahead and removed the bumper. We also did remove where these fog lamps are gonna go, as you guys could see. And right here are the Toyota OEM fog lamp accents. Just to go over exactly what comes with these lamps, right here, there you guys go. This thing looks absolutely beautiful. It looks really great quality. We have this little box thing, you know, and we also have these wires. Obviously it's gonna look confusing if you're not familiar with these, but right off the bat, this is the only thing you're going to be connecting and disconnecting. So probably a few of you guys are wondering, okay, where does this Y go? And it's very simple. We're going to go right here into the driver's side of the car, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what you got to do to get these things running. Right here you have your front light, and if you look down here, we do see like a plastic clip, this little gray looking fella. I do apologize, it's pretty dark. This is the connection that you will be disconnecting. This is what's connected onto the front light of the car. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna be disconnecting this one. It's gray. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect this connection, and it's very easy. All you're gonna do is just press down. Alright, so this piece is already disconnected. What we're going to go ahead and do is we're just going to push it down towards the outside of the vehicle. And it should drop onto this side. So it's already been disconnected. We're going to go ahead and bring that cable down to the bottom of the car right here. And this is where we are actually going to be connecting these fog lamp accents. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab this cable that comes with the fog lamp accents. And as you guys could see, there is 2 we're gonna make sure we grab the one that is actually able to fit inside here, and it should be this one. You're gonna obviously find out because it's common sense. We can't really connect these. So we're gonna go ahead and grab this piece, and boom. I don't know if you guys heard that click, but this is how you connect these. We're gonna go ahead and now with this other one, we gotta run it up towards where we disconnected this first one. So it's kind of like a bridge. So this already has been connected and everything should be wired up, and we're gonna go ahead and test them real quick. All right. So that is honestly all you have to do to get these things running. You do not have to run anything towards the fuse box like aftermarket fog lamps, fog lights. This is plug and play for the Xse, and it is very, very easy, you guys. You guys could do this with your eyes closed, honestly, if you guys do ever want to encourage yourself to actually get this done. But these things look very great. I personally am really liking how these things look. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna actually start placing these and installing them onto the bumper. It should be very easy now because we already have them running. Alright, so it's been already installed. No gaps, perfect fit, fits like a glove. That's why you always got to go with OEM, because you do not run into any fitment issues. Boom. Okay, you guys, so check this out. We already went ahead and ran the cables. I went ahead and marked them down because there is a right and a left. This right side is obviously the short one, and then the left side is on that side because it's the longest. So we went ahead and marked them just so we wouldn't get confused. And what we did is that we ran them along right here on top of this like foam looking piece. My friend right here, Paul, he went ahead and just used zip ties because the part that Toyota sent you, it does come included with hardware, and you do not have to purchase anything extra. And it runs all the way down here, and this is where the longest connection is onto this left side. So right here is the left side, and that is where it's gonna be connected onto this side. Obviously it's the right side, but we were facing this direction. But this is where it's gonna be connected onto. We're gonna go ahead and put everything back together. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn it on again just to make sure everything is working right. And they are working very well. So now we can go ahead and install the bumper. Alright, you guys, so we already went ahead and installed these fog accents from Toyota. It was such a very easy installation if you're comfortable with using your hands, and if you want to do it on your own. You know, the harness that they provide, it's very plug and play. I was just telling my friend Paul here that you don't have to pay for an electrician, you don't have to pay for an installer, you're not splicing, you're not running anything into the fuse box. All you have to do is just disconnect and connect and run cables, and that's it. The install is very, 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 very easy, you guys. So if you're trying to pick some up for your 21 plus Camrys, you can go ahead and pick these up. Something I do want to say is that for those that own older models, probably that's one of the questions you guys might have, if this might actually fit a 2018 or a 2019. This will only fit, from what I can understand by the clips, it will only fit a 2021 plus. If you do say want to get these and you want them to work with your older Camrys, they actually will work. You would just have to modify your bumper. It would be a little bit more labor, but it will work. The connections will work smoothly. All you need to have is the XSE front lights and just the right harnesses to be connected. I do believe they will have this on for the XSE and the SE. So make sure you guys, when you guys pick this up, you guys get the correct one for your car. But we went ahead and we tried it, and unfortunately I forgot to record, but it did in fact turn on. So if you guys want to pick them up, all you got to do is modify your bumper if you have a 2018 or 2019. But for the 21 plus and for the more Camrys to come that want to add this to their cars, they are plug and play, no splicing, a walk in the park, you guys. I really do hope you guys found this video helpful. Shout out to my boy Paul, PNXSE. You guys could check out his build on Instagram. It's been your boy King Camry. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was very helpful and really answered some of you guys' questions. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys the next time. Don't forget to subscribe. A lot more stuff to come. Peace.